What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. For some reason my Instagram reel didn't record the audio, so I'm going to do a voiceover. Today I wanted to show you what I've been working on, which is a filter shaker for the Oneida V3000 and the Dust Gorilla Pro. Now the one downside to these filters is the inability to easily clean the filter itself. Shaking the filter loosens the fine dust that builds up, and periodically running the shaker will ensure that the filter is staying as clean as possible, which will also keep the dust collector at peak performance. So as you can see, I went through multiple design iterations, and originally I had this mounted to the top of the filter. However, this proved to be difficult to install, especially by yourself. So I went back to the drawing board, and ultimately I came up with a better solution, which was to install it at the bottom of the filter. So as you can see, the amount of fine dust this removes from the filter is absolutely incredible. This works utterly fantastic. I am thrilled. This is now for sale on my website. This comes as a completed kit, so you'll get the bracket, you'll get the shaker element, the vibrator, if you will, and the hardware that's necessary. Link will be in the description for my website. If you guys have any questions, please let me know.